All right, let's taste this and see where we are. Oh my God. Wow. This is delicious. Don't eat any fried chicken. Don't eat. My God. Oh my. I'm going to throw this out aside. No, I'm joking. This is so delicious. It's amazing. It tastes so good. It's fantastic. It's so beautiful. And I know, don't eat non-Jamaican food for 1 week and do this at home. You know what? I wasn't going to share up it. I'm going to share up it and I make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this, guys. Oh my. Let me throw this in my sink. This is too good. This is too good. Jesus. Oh my days. I never taste food so nice. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.